The Outdoor Plus presents how to install a natural gas matchlit firebowl.
Warning, the Outdoor Plus requires that all gas installations be installed by a certified gas installer.
Step 1. Remove items from the pallet. See what's included and the tools required to complete the job. Step 2. Install the mounting bracket. Drill pilot holes using the mounting bracket as a template. Install the top plate in the bowl with the washers and nuts, and then tighten the nuts. Step 3. Connecting the natural gas line. The flex hose is included. Connect the flex hose to your natural gas stub and to the flare fitting beneath the pan and burner. Step 4. Purging the natural gas line. Purging the gas line will remove air and debris from new lines. Turn on the gas valve. Once you smell gas, shut off the gas valve, and now you have purged the gas line. The new burner has an angle design which prevents water from getting into the main gas line, and the burner holes also prevent the water from building up inside of the burner. Step 5. Testing for gas leakage.
Warning, the Outdoor Plus requires that all gas installations be installed by a certified gas installer.
Step 6. Testing the firebowl. After you have purged the gas line, test the firebowl by turning the gas valve on gently while igniting the burner. Warning, keep a safe distance from the burner to avoid injury. Leave the lighter on before turning the key valve. Step 7. Adding the fire media. After testing the firebowl, let it cool, and then you can add media. No more than 1 inch of media should cover the burner. Warning, use only fire-rated rocks and/or glass media. The installation is now complete. Enjoy your Outdoor Plus firebowl.